Good morning, dear students. We can start today's class. So, in the last class, we had discussed what are diseases, then what are symptoms, then diagnosis. What do you mean by diagnosis? Then how can we, what do you mean by prevention? These all four terms you learn. I told you to write and study the spellings of these all words. I hope you all had done it. So let me ask some questions. Okay, based on it. Let me ask some questions based on it. A dash is an, don't unmute yourself, I will call. Okay, dash is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Varada, unmute it and tell me. Dash is an unhealthy thing.
Disease.
Disease. Can you tell me the spelling of disease fast?
D-I-E-S.
This is. Okay, tell me again. Try it.
D-I-E-S.
Ah, this is there. So D I.
D-I-S-E-S.
Ah, E. You have to write and study 5 times. Okay. So mute your audio. Who can say me the Ayil Arun? Ayil, unmute yourself and tell me what is the spelling of disease?
D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S.
Okay, that is diseases. Okay, so next one, next question, I'll mute it. Okay, the external signs shown by our body during an illness are called dash. The external signs shown by our body during an illness are called dash. Adinath, unmute it and tell me.
Symptom.
Symptoms. Can you tell me the spelling also?
S-Y-M-T-O-M-S.
Symptoms.
Symptoms.
S-Y-M-P-T-O-M-S.
T-O-M.
Okay. Symptoms. Next one. Adi, mute your audio. Next one. Identifying a disease from its signs. Identifying a disease from its sign is called dash. Who can say it? Identifying a disease from its signs. Who can say that? Raise your hand. Who know it? Raise your hand, Leia. Okay, Leia, tell me.
Diagnosis.
Diagnosis. What it is? Diagnosis. Okay, diagnosis. Can you tell me the spelling of diagnosis?
D-I-A.
D-I. Dia. Okay.
G-N-O-S-I-S.
Okay, diagnosis. Next one, next question. Keeping disease-causing germs away from our body is called dash. Keeping disease-causing germs away from our body is called dash. Prajwal. Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What?
Prevention.
Prevention. Can you tell me the spelling of prevention?
Prevention.
Okay. So this much we learned in our last class. Okay. So those are not sure with the spellings. You have to write and study it. Okay. Next. So these all are the important terms that we have discussed in our last class. Today we can learn about diseases. So diseases are of two types. They are spreading diseases and non-spreading diseases. Diseases are of two types. They are spreading diseases and non-spreading diseases. So what do you mean by spreading disease? Who can say, what do you mean by spreading disease?
It will
It will spread to one. It will spread one to another.
One person to another, right? The
Yes.
spreading diseases are those diseases that spread from one person to another or from animals to animals or animals to person. Okay. Say, who can say the example for spreading diseases?
Coronavirus.
Okay, nowadays COVID-19 is spreading like anything, right? That is why you all are sitting at home. So that is the example. That is one of the example. And any other sneezing.
Sneezing.
It is sneezing is listen. Sneezing is
Ma'am.
a symptom.
Ma'am.
Sneezing is a symptom. It is
Ma'am.
not a disease.
Nipah virus.
Kalaya. Yes.
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 Flu.
Flu,
Ma'am.
common flu, common cold.
Cholera.
Cholera. Cholera. See, another one.
Ebola.
Ameya.
Ebola.
Okay, Ameya.
Ma'am. Chickenpox.
Yes, tell me, Ameya.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Chickenpox once.
Chicken pox. Chicken pox. Okay. So these all are. Henry, what you want? Yes.
I have also. I will also. Nipah virus.
Okay. So these.
Ma'am,
all are-
influenza.
Influenza. These all are examples of spreading disease.
Ebola.
Okay, mute your audio,
And
everybody.
Nipah virus.
I got enough, more than enough examples. Okay, so these all are like common cold, this COVID-19, so many examples, chicken pox. These all are spreading diseases. And another thing is that those are not spreading. Some diseases are there that will not spread from one person to another.
Ma'am, leg pain.
Say 1 minute. Those who know the answer, those who want to tell the answer, please raise your hand. Okay. Those who know the example, Amil. Okay, Amil. Unmute it and tell me example for non-spreading diseases. Yes.
Head pain.
Sorry.
Head pain.
See, head pain is a symptom. It is not a disease. Symptom of so many. Okay, Anvia.
Ma'am, leg pain. Leg pain.
See,
Cancer.
Cancer is an example for non-spreading disease.
Sugar.
See, diabetes. Not sugar, diabetes. Okay, diabetes.
Pressure.
Dear students,
Malaria.
without my permission, don't unmute it. Okay, I am giving everybody a chance. So without my permission, don't do it. See here, we are discussing about example for non-spreading diseases like cancer, heart failure, kidney failure. In the previous classes, you learned kidney failure, non-functioning of kidneys, right? These all are not spreading. Diabetes. These all are some example for some of the non-spreading diseases. Got it? These diseases are formed due to the failure of some internal organs that we will learn it in detail. Okay. So you have to learn today diseases are of two types. Henry, listen here. Diseases are of two types. See, now I want to share the screen. There you can see the two types of diseases and examples and okay. So please unmute it and listen. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see a board here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. I will call one student. Okay. Able, mute it and sit. Anupama, unmute and read. But 1 minute, 1 minute. This is already, we learned it, right? Okay. Next one. Okay. Can you tell me this one? Anupama, read it. What is the heading of it? First,
Disease.
disease, diseases. Okay.
That diseases that spread.
Ah,
Example, common cold,
mm,
malaria,
mm.
COVID-19.
Okay. Next one.
Disease that do not spread.
Okay.
Example, cancer, kidney failures.
Ah, allergies. Allergies. Okay. So mute your audio. Gauri Nandana ji, please switch on your video. Rohit. Rohit. Unmute your audio, Rohit. Okay. Can you read the board fast? Read it. Rohit, read the, can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then read it fast.
Disease.
Diseases, not disease.
Diseases that spread. Example, common cold, malaria, COVID-19.
Okay.
Disease that do not spread.
Hmm.
Example, cancer, kidney failure, allergy.
Failures and allergies. Okay. So these are the two types of disease.
Okay,
Now, okay. Who is causing these diseases? Who it causes these diseases? Germs. Okay. Who it causes diseases?
Bacteria.
They are bacteria, virus. You may know so many names, right? So these bacteria, virus, fungus, these all we can call it as germs. So germs causes disease. Okay. So what do you mean by germ? What are germs? Who knows it? What are germs? What are germs? Anybody? Can you tell? Oh, I'll. Okay, I'll. Tell me. What are germs?
Caused by diseases. Some disease spread from one person to another.
Okay. See, mute your audio. These germs are not only spreading diseases from one person to another. Okay. Due to these germs, these diseases are forming. Can we see these germs? Can we see this germ? Did you have ever seen this germ?
No.
In the television you can see, right? In the TVs during the advertisements of some cleaning products, they are showing like a worm-like thing, right? Yeah. See, so sometimes you might have seen they are only showing a imagination. That is only a imagination. So, press mute your audio. So here these germs are tiny, very small. They are tiny. Can we see this? No. So we can say invisible. Germs are tiny, invisible living things that causes diseases. They are everywhere in air, water, on the surface or something. So we can.
In dirty water.
Okay, not only dirty water. Okay, in the water also it is there. So we want to boil the water before our use. So let me share the definition of disease. Sorry, germs. Can you see a board here? Okay.
Yes.
Germs are very tiny, invisible living things that cause diseases. Okay. So germs, what are germs? Very tiny, invisible. What do you mean by invisible? We can't see it through our eyes.
We can't see.
We can't see. Living things. They are. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
germs are microorganisms.
Okay, you will learn in higher classes what do you mean by microorganism and okay. So micro and tiny, they are sound same, right? The meaning is same. So germs are very tiny, invisible living things that cause diseases. It lives around us. We can, it lives in air, water, everywhere. Okay. So let me ask you, what are germs? Who can say it? What are germs? Who can say? Raise your hand. What are germs? Adidev. Okay, Adidev, tell me.
Germs are tiny,
Hmm.
invisible things, living things that cause diseases.
Okay, very good. Where we can see this? Where we can see this?
Water,
Everywhere.
floor,
We can say it in everywhere.
everywhere.
Okay. So,
Everywhere.
Chris, please tell me, what are germs? What are germs, Chris?
There was sometimes network go. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay. So, mute your audio and listen properly. Okay. Shivadhyan, tell me. Sit properly, Shivadhyan. Oh, here. Okay, I will call another student. Eva Rose, unmute your audio, Eva Rose. Okay. What are germs?
Germs are very tiny and invisible
Hmm. Living things.
living things.
Tiny, invisible, living things. Okay. Living things that causes diseases. Okay. So we can see these germs all over the place. Everywhere we can see it. Next one. Next one. Uh, 1 minute. So we learned about 2 types of diseases. Now we want to learn the diseases which are spreading. How they are spreading. Can you tell me how these diseases are spreading? See, I can see Chris.
Because of the
Okay.
Touching.
1 minute. Who it is? Tell me the name first. Who wants to share the idea?
Am I?
I'm able.
I'll and I'll, 1 minute. I'll, Leia and Abel, please wait. I want it to get from some others. Varada, 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 tell me. See how these diseases are spreading. How, is there any idea? Is there any idea? No. John Daniel, can you tell me how these diseases are spreading? Okay, so tell me, Anselin, tell me how these diseases are spreading.
When people go to the neighbor's house and stuff, they will get these diseases.
Okay, when they are in contact. Are you, do you mean by that? Okay. When people are in contact, these diseases can spread. Okay, through contact, by
And
touch.
also,
Is there any other way?
And
One, Rohit, tell me, is there any other way?
Ma'am, when the germs spread to the air, that's are called
Air, through air.
airborne.
Okay. So very good. Through air. So Anselin told diseases can spread through contacts, right? So that is why you all are sitting at home to break the contacts, right? So that you will.
Ma'am, it's called break the chain.
Yeah, that is called break the chain. So to break the contacts, we can prevent the disease. Okay. So through contacts, through air, and any other ways to spread? Is there any other? Yes, tell me. Rohit, mute your audio. Who knows it?
Ma'am, Emil can tell.
Okay, Emil, tell me.
Waterborne.
Water, through water. Okay, through water. through air, through water. If we are drinking dirty water, there is chances of spreading diseases. Okay. Then, Leia. Okay, Leia, tell me.
If we shake hands, then we'll spread disease.
Okay, that it comes under contact. That it comes under contact. Okay, so diseases, there are many ways to spread diseases. Okay, first one through air. First one through air. Second one through water. Third one through contact by giving shake hands, by touching, by using the clothes or things, sharing things and clothes. There are chances of spreading diseases. And another one through the insects. Another one, it is through the insects.
The insects,
Yeah.
mosquito, flies.
Mosquitoes, then house flies.
They will come from the waste and the germs, and they will sit in our food.
Okay. So that all we can discuss later. Okay. So now first we want to learn which are the methods of spreading diseases. Through air, through water, through by contact and by insect. Okay. These are the main 4 methods of spreading disease. Okay, let me share the screen now. Can you see this? Airborne diseases. The diseases that spread through the air. All diseases are not spread through the air. Some will spread through air, some will through the water, some will through the contacts and all. So here we are classifying the diseases based on the method of spreading. Okay, airborne diseases. Devadarsh, can you see it? Devadarsh, unmute your audio, Devadarsh. Unmute your audio. Okay, so read the heading, airborne. What is the spelling of borne?
B-O-R-N-E.
B-O-R-N-E. What do you mean by airborne? Through air. Okay, airborne means through air. So, here, airborne diseases. Diseases that spread through the air. Example, common cold, chicken pox, measles. Some examples. So, at least you learn few examples. Okay, so for the exam, we can ask like this, example for airborne disease or match the following. In the match the following or in the question answers, you can expect question from it. Okay, Isa, read it. Isa, unmute and read. What is the heading of this one? Fast.
Common.
No, heading. You can't see the heading here?
No.
You can't see it. Heading. Say in a black background. You can't see it? Jaswin.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Jaswin, can you read the heading here? Can you read it?
Airborne
Diseases. Okay, airborne diseases. Isa, you can't see that one? No. Okay, what you can see then? What you can see, just see it.
Ma'am, I can't see the word.
You can't see the board. Okay. Then I will ask to Ameya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the board there, Ameya?
Yes.
Okay, what it is written there? Just check it.
Airborne diseases.
Okay, tell me. What is this written there?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ameya, read it.
Diseases that spread through the air. Example, common cold, chicken pox.
That these two only? Common cold and chicken pox, these two only? Measles. Say measles. Okay. So, Jaswin, Read it again. Ameya, mute it, and Jaswin, read it again. Fast. Fast.
Diseases that spread through the air.
Example.
Example, common cold, chickenpox,
Measles. Okay.
measles.
Okay. Isa, can you see it now, Isa?
Can you share again?
Can you see it, this board? I want to share it again. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm sharing it. Okay. Is it okay, Isa, now?
Yes.
Oh, yes, now you can see it. Okay. So, can you read it? Can you read it?
Airborne diseases.
Okay. Okay. Read it. What is that?
Diseases that spread through the air. Example, common cold, chickenpox.
Measles.
Measles.
Measles. Okay. Next one. Next one. Can you see it? Isa, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. This is waterborne diseases. Okay. So waterborne diseases mean diseases that spread through water. After this class, you have to write and study the spelling. Airborne, B-O-R-N-E. Waterborne, B-O-R-N-E. Okay. Henry, unmute and read it. Henry, fast. Okay, read it.
Waterborne disease. Diseases
Diseases.
that spread through water.
Okay. Example. Typhoid.
Typhoid,
Dysentery,
and cold.
cholera. Okay, so these all I will send these all words. You have to write and study these all names of the diseases: typhoid, dysentery, and cholera. Next one. So these two, I think these two airborne diseases and waterborne diseases.
times?
5 times you can study it. Okay, I will send it. So, today we learned about...
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Okay, I know it. Okay, see, for germs, what are germs? Then these 2 types of diseases, spreading disease and non-spreading diseases. The methods of spreading of diseases. In that, airborne diseases and waterborne diseases. Okay, rest of the topics we can discuss in our next class. So read the textbook, write and study which all words that I am going to send now. Okay, so you have to write and study these all spellings in your rough. Okay, dear students. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.